Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, I wanted to update you guys on that reciprocity thing. Look at my hands, I was painting. I probably have it in my face too. Anyway, the reciprocity thing in Canada, meaning that Canadians can't buy property here because Italians cannot buy property in Canada. Now there's some caveats, and now that the time has gone by, at least 2 years has gone by, so a lot of stuff is kind of filtered out, and we now understand and we know how to deal with it. So what's happening is there are some notarios who are basically, and I guess it's up to the notarios individually, how they interpret this law. There are some cities and towns and whatnot that if they're under 10,000 people, then Canadians can go ahead and buy something that's habitable, possibly even renovated. In fact, there's a lady in Santa Dominica Talao that's buying a renovated property, and she's Canadian. So this is really exciting news, you guys, because I was under the impression, and when Nick was interpreting initially when it happened, there was some talk about, well, if you're too close to a big city, it might not count, blah, 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 blah. But it looks like, at the end of the day, in places like Santa Dominica Talao, in places like Santa Maria del Cedro, not necessarily Scalea, I don't know about Praia Mare, but if they're under 10,000 people, it looks pretty good that you can come up and you can buy a property that is habitable. So guys, if you're Canadian, call me. Let's get you going. We'll get you into something and you're gonna be happy, happy, happy. So take care, guys. We'll see you soon.